Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree DIY, and it is the 9th day of Christmas. So today it's going to be a very inexpensive, fun little Christmas tree here. And if you've seen these, you guys save these pieces, and I'm going to show you a fun thing to make. But we're going to use these little stars. I'm only just going to use one, and then I'm going to use some of this wired jute cord, and it's going to be so quick and easy. So I'm just going to pop a piece of this up like this, and then with the rest of it, I'm just going to start making a little circle. And it's not staying, of course it's not staying. But if you get that happening, don't worry about it. We're going to just work with what we've got here, and we're going to keep that going around here. I'm just going to hold on to this little piece for a second while I get this first started. There we go. And we're just going to wrap this around. And we're going to continue to wrap it. And remember, it's wired. So we're just going to wrap it and wrap it and wrap it. And this, we're making Christmas trees here. So you just go and keep going until you feel you're going to get the size of Christmas tree that you want. And I'm still going to wrap a little bit more. We're going to go with a smaller tree, and then I'll show you a larger one in a bit. So I think I'm almost there. I'm going to go, we'll just use what we've got here, just because there's no sense in having any leftover little tiny pieces. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull this one down just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to take this guy here. That's just a star from that little thing there. We are going to pull these up just like this. And we're going to get the cutest little tree. And you just keep pulling it until you get it sticking the way that you want it. There we go. So cute. Just like that. And now we're going to add that little star on. I'm going to get out my hot glue gun here. We're just going to wait for it. It warms up so fast. While that is getting ready, I'm going to show you the other one that I did. I made a bigger one, so you can make two nice size ones here. And this one I have a bigger tip, and we're going to go ahead and pull that one as well, just as we had it. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at how cute that is. And you just move these around to get them exactly how you want them. And we're going to make this one a little bit bigger at the base. We want to add a little more girth on the base of this one. So I'm going to move this. There we go. And it's all wire. And this is super cute. Look at this one. All right, so we've got these two trees. And we've got our glue gun ready to go. And I'm just going to add some of this glue on here. We're going to put that star right on here. Now you can make your star whatever color. I love that it's going to be wooden, and then it's going to be a jute Christmas tree. So you see that, and you can just put those. They're going to fit so nicely just on a table, or even in a tiered tray. So that's the first one. Now we've got this nice big huge one, And I want to top that. Again, we're going to go with rustic. And so I'm going to get those burlap stickers that are just like this. And I've removed the sticker part, but I've kept the felt on there. And we're going to do the same thing here. And I'm just going to go up and down. And I'm going to put enough on here because this is a nice big piece back here. We're going to cover up that. And look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Look how adorable that little Christmas tree is. It's so whimsy, and it is a little heavy. So all that means is I need to play around with this and get it, not that way, and get it to go the way that I want, which is just a little bit more this way. There we go. That should do. Nope. Once you get it, you'll get it, but it is super cute. Again, I want to pull this up. There we go. I want to pull it up, and I want it to be a little heavier just because it's making it heavy, but it's super cute. Oh my gosh. You guys have to see this. All right. I will take pictures and I will send them to you. I hope you like this. Please give me a big thumbs up. We made 2 beautiful little trees, and I hope you like it. You could also tie some ribbon. You can decorate it with little balls or whatnot. But all right, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.